Welcome to Auto Pundit's video section. Today we present the list of top 10 best-selling passenger cars in the first 6 months of 2020. The first half of 2020 was rather dramatic. While the auto industry was already struggling with slowing GDP growth rate and BS4 to BS6 transition, the COVID-19 pandemic jolted the sales even further. The overall passenger car industry degrew by a hefty 47.5% in the first half of 2020 versus the same period last year. Do note that April 2020 also became the first month in the Indian automotive history to report zero volumes. Now let us have a look at the top 10 selling cars in the first 6 months of 2020, which contributed to 53% of the overall sales volumes. Hyundai's Grand i10 Nios ranked 10th with sales of 27,785 units. The model saw a generation change last year and has helped the model perform better than peers. Hyundai's all-new sub-4 meter compact SUV Venue outsold the erstwhile segment leader Brezza and ranked 9th in the list of top 10 selling cars. Venue is available in petrol, diesel and turbo petrol engine variants, along with manual and dual clutch automatic transmission options. The model sold an impressive 28,552 units in 2020. Coming to rank 8th, Maruti's Eco was the only van in top 10 selling passenger cars of 2020. With discontinuation of Omni, Eco has a lot riding on its shoulder to substantiate Omni's volumes as well. Eco sold 34,937 units in 2020 with a degrowth of 40% over 2019. The next-gen Ertiga, along with its derivative XL6 with more usable third row of seats and bigger engine, has not only did wonders for Maruti and Nexa but has also helped MUV as a segment to grow in 2019. The model continues its strong sales momentum in 2020 as well and sold 35,193 units. Maruti Suzuki Dzire has now moved to the 6th position in the list of best-selling cars in India with sales of 43,227 units. This is largely due to the facelift transition in March 2020. Dzire could face more growth challenge in future due to discontinuation of the diesel variant, which used to contribute for more than 50% of the sales. The subdued demand in the fleet and app-based shared mobility segment is hurting the sales even further. Do note that Dzire was India's second best-selling car of 2019. Now let us come to the top 5 best-selling cars for the first half of 2020. The top 5 best-selling cars constituted to 32% of the total market volumes. Kia Seltos, with wide spectrum of variants, engine and transmission offerings, made a grand entry to the Indian market in 2019. It continues its success run in 2020 and became the 5th best-selling car in 2020 with sales of 45,215 units. India's favorite tall-boy hatchback WagonR managed to sell 50,789 units and ranked 4th in the top 10 selling cars of 2020. The model offers a great deal of practicality for its buyers and now with 2 different engine options is bringing in significant volumes for Maruti Suzuki. Maruti Suzuki Swift completed 15 years of existence in the Indian market in June 2020 and still commands a strong fan following in India. With sales of 51,862 units, Swift was India's 3rd best-selling car in 2020. Baleno did wonders for Nexa channel since launch and is still the dominant model in the brand's portfolio. It emerged as India's 2nd best-selling car in the first 6 months of 2020 and sold 54,363 units in the said period. And yes, Alto, the smallest and the cheapest car in the Maruti's portfolio, again registered itself as India's best-selling car. The model sold 56,468 units in 2020 and continued to be in top of the ranking table by contributing 7% of the total market share. It is also set to cross 40 lakh units overall sales in the coming months and shall be the only model in India to achieve this feat. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to give thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment below as we would love to hear from you. Please subscribe and click on the little bell icon so you immediately get notified about our next new video.